Hello everyone and welcome to another episode on our Moka Pot series. For those who do not yet know, Moka Pots are inexpensive coffee maker that are supposed to give espresso-like quality coffee using a stovetop. They are perfect for home use for those that wish to upgrade their coffee experience. This video clip is a short video tutorial on how to make iced Americano and iced latte using a Moka Pot. We are going to use a 4-cup breaker. This Moka Pot comes with a measuring cup which has a 200 ml capacity. This is the recommended capacity of the boiler. For hot coffee, I would use 200 ml, but for iced coffee, I would use less, only 180 ml. This is the filter basket where we put the ground coffee in. To measure, if you do not have a scale, use the coffee scoop to measure or simply fill the basket with coffee beans or ground coffee. To fill this basket, I need 1, 2, 3 scoops of coffee beans. Let's check how much is the weight in grams. Latte standard 24 grams of coffee into a 4-cup breaker. But I have here 26 grams, which is my recommended amount of coffee for iced drinks using a 4-cup Moka Pot. For the grind, for iced drinks I use between medium to fine grind to make the coffee stronger. Now this is my ground coffee. Level the ground coffee and clean the sides of the basket to ensure no spillage. Fill the boiler with 180 ml of hot water. To add pressure and generate more crema, I will use a paper filter dipped in water. You may skip this if you don't have any available, but they are easy enough to find and they are not expensive either. Place the filter basket on top. Secure the pot firmly on. Do not use the handle to turn it around as it could break. Instead, hold the body of the pot. Use a towel to hold the boiler as it is hot. After about a couple of minutes, you should see the coffee coming out. Reduce the heat. For electric hot plate, turn it to low. Now look at that beautiful regulated flow of coffee with a lot of crema. As the pot fills up, take it off the heat. Now my coffee is looking absolutely perfect, exactly what you should be aiming for each time you brew using your Moka Pots. Let's check the yield. We started with 180 ml of water and we got 150 ml of beautifully looking brewed coffee using the Moka Pot. Perfect for 2 cups of iced drinks. Now we are ready to make our drinks, starting with iced Americano or black coffee. Very simple, just ice, water and the brewed coffee from the Moka Pot. You may add a sweetener if you wish. Next is the iced latte, equally simple, brewed coffee, plain milk, milk syrup and ice. Pour the milk over ice and top up with the brewed coffee. And we have 2 equally strong, aromatic and refreshing iced coffee using a single brew from a 4-cup Moka Pot. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.